Beneath the infinite expanse of the cosmos, humanity has unveiled countless marvels, from distant planets to the resplendent galaxies scattered across the universe. Yet, here on Earth, a tapestry of mysteries remains, enigmatic and untouched. These riddles, ranging from supernatural phenomena to ancient puzzles lost to time, defy logic and ignite an unquenchable sense of wonder. Despite science's relentless quest to illuminate the unknown, some secrets elude even its grasp, cloaked in forces that defy comprehension. Chief among these are the notorious Devil's Triangles, shadowy realms steeped in fear and mystery. From the infamous Bermuda Triangle to obscure yet equally chilling locales, these regions resonate with tales of eerie vanishings, inexplicable occurrences, and haunting encounters. Venture with us into these forbidding triangles, where the boundary between reality and the supernatural dissolves into an unsettling haze. In this journey, you'll uncover truths stranger than fiction, echoes from realms beyond human understanding, veiled in perpetual darkness and unfathomable allure. Coming in at number 6 is Lake Michigan Devil's Triangle, a shrouded waterscape of disappearances. In the heart of the United States, one of the 5 Great Lakes, Lake Michigan, holds a mysterious and haunting reputation. Nestled between the shores of Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan, this vast body of water has long been the site of unexplained events and eerie disappearances, giving rise to its own sinister moniker, the Lake Michigan Devil's Triangle. Often overshadowed by more famous Bermuda and Dragon Triangles, the Devil's Triangle in Lake Michigan remains an enigma. Quiet, yet laden with unsettling stories that seem to defy logic and reason. Lake Michigan, known for its unpredictable weather and treacherous waters, has seen many strange and unexplained vanishings over the decades. Ships, planes, and even entire crews have disappeared, leaving no trace behind. The most infamous case is the disappearance of the Rosie in 1921, a large ship that vanished without a trace, seemingly swallowed by the lake's dark depths. Such mysterious events have fueled speculation about this region being more than just a perilous body of water. Like the Bermuda Triangle, it is a place where travelers seem to vanish into thin air, leaving behind only questions and haunting whispers. The supernatural theories surrounding Lake Michigan are as chilling as they are perplexing. Some believe that the lake sits on an ancient fault line, creating strange electromagnetic disturbances that interfere with navigational equipment, causing ships to lose their course and disappear into the depths. Others speak of ghostly phenomena, including the sighting of ghost ships drifting across the water under the veil of night. The most eerie of tales are those told by fishermen and sailors, who describe encountering sudden unnatural fogs that obscure everything, followed by an overwhelming sense of dread as though something, an ancient force, watches them from the dark, murky waters. Some believe that the Lake Michigan Devil's Triangle is the result of the area's strange geological features, shifting underwater trenches, treacherous currents, and sudden whirlpools that can swallow ships without warning. But for those who believe in the supernatural, this area is something more. A portal, a crossroads where the boundary between this world and the next becomes dangerously thin. In the quiet stillness of Lake Michigan, beneath its glassy surface and over its storm-ravaged waters, the Devil's Triangle lingers as a place where reality warps and twists, leaving only whispers in its wake. Whether caused by natural forces, ancient powers, or something more otherworldly, the region continues to hold its secrets, inviting the curious to explore, but warning them that some mysteries are not meant to be solved. Number 5. The Sargasso Sea Triangle, a silent realm of unfathomable secrets. In the vast, uncharted expanse of the North Atlantic lies a realm that has long captivated the imagination of sailors and explorers. A place where time seems to stand still and the sea whispers its darkest secrets. This place is the Sargasso Sea, known to some as the Devil's Triangle. Unlike any other body of water, it has no borders, only a mysterious, invisible line defined by the surrounding currents, the Gulf Stream, the North Atlantic Current, and the Canary Current, creating a labyrinth of swirling waters that seem to lead nowhere, drawing all who venture in deeper into its heart. The Sargasso Sea is an enigma, shrouded in both natural and supernatural mysteries. Its waters are eerily calm, yet beneath the surface, something stirs, something ancient and forgotten. The seaweed mats, thick and unnerving, float aimlessly across the water, creating a dense, shadowy cover that entangles anything that dares to get too close. Ships have vanished without a trace, and sailors have spoken of inexplicable disappearances, as if swallowed whole by the sea itself. The most chilling story of all is that of the Mary Celeste, found drifting in the Sargasso, its crew gone without a single clue as to where they went or what had happened. But it's not just the strange disappearances that haunt this sea. Some believe the Sargasso Sea is a gateway, a threshold between this world and the unknown. It's as if the waters themselves guard an ancient, unspeakable secret, one that lures the curious to their doom. The sea's currents twist and shift with a mind of their own, leading ships off course and pulling them into the abyss. The wind whispers strange tales, and those who have ventured too far speak of a presence beneath the waves, something that watches, waits, and perhaps judges those who dare to trespass. In the stillness of the Sargasso Sea, it's easy to forget that the ocean is not merely a body of water, but a vast, living entity, filled with mysteries that are better left unsolved. Here, the lines between reality and the supernatural blur, leaving an unsettling question in the air. What truly lies beneath the surface of the Sargasso Sea, waiting to claim the souls of the unwary? Number 4. The Drake Passage, the gateway to death. At the farthest southern reaches of the world, between the southern tip of South America and the frozen Antarctic continent, lies a haunting sea known as the Drake Passage. This is not only a maritime route connecting two oceans, but also a place ominously dubbed the Gateway to Death by daring sailors. This area exudes a cold, pristine beauty, yet hidden within it are deadly mysteries left behind by nature and invisible forces. Since the 16th century, the Drake Passage has haunted the minds of explorers and traders. Hundreds of mysterious disappearances have been recorded, ships sinking without a trace, sailors vanishing as if they had never existed. One of the most terrifying stories is that of the disappearance of the ship San Telmo in 1819. No one knows what happened, only the wreckage drifting as the last message from the depths of the ocean. It is believed that the harshness of nature is the greatest enemy here. The Drake Passage is where three oceans meet, the Pacific, Atlantic, and Southern Oceans, creating chaotic, powerful currents. Cold storms from Antarctica sweep through relentlessly, creating giant waves as high as 10 to 15 meters, swallowing everything in their path. But is that the whole truth? Supernatural legends surrounding the Drake Passage further chill the bones. There are tales of ghost ships lost in the fog, drifting aimlessly, and eerie screams rising from the ocean depths, said to be the curse of sailors who perished here. Some believe that beneath the icy layers, giant creatures, ancient sea monsters still lurk, waiting to hunt down those who trespass. The Drake Passage is not just a challenge for humanity. It is a symbol of mystery and transience. Here, the sea and the cold winds act as invisible executioners, erasing all traces of life. Those who survive this stretch of water carry with them a part of its darkness and an indescribable terror. Number 3. The Alaska Triangle. The Alaska Triangle, often dubbed the Last Frontier's Bermuda Triangle, is a mysterious region in the wilderness of Alaska, United States. This enigmatic area stretches between the cities of Anchorage, Juneau, and Barrow, now Utqiagvik, forming a triangular shape where thousands of people, airplanes, and ships have inexplicably disappeared over the decades. Known for its harsh environment and rugged landscapes, the Alaska Triangle is shrouded in tales of mystery and danger that intrigue researchers and adventurers alike. The phenomenon of disappearances within the Alaska Triangle dates back to indigenous Tlingit folklore. According to their legends, an evil spirit known as the Kushtaka, a shape-shifting creature resembling an otter, lures people to their doom in the wilderness. These stories add a supernatural dimension to the Triangle's reputation, blending cultural mythology with unexplained occurrences. Modern accounts, however, often attribute the disappearances to the region's treacherous conditions. With vast stretches of uninhabited land, towering mountain ranges, dense forests, and unpredictable weather, Alaska's wilderness poses significant challenges to even the most experienced travelers. Small aircraft in particular are at high risk due to sudden storms and disorienting cloud cover that can lead to fatal crashes. One of the most famous cases occurred in 1972 when a small plane carrying U.S. Congressman Hale Boggs and 3 others vanished without a trace. Despite an extensive search effort involving 400 aircraft and multiple ground teams, no wreckage or survivors were ever found. This event further cemented the Alaska Triangle's eerie reputation as a place where things simply vanish. Scientists have proposed natural explanations for the occurrences within the triangle. One popular theory is that Alaska's geological features, such as magnetic anomalies and fault lines, could interfere with navigation systems and cause disorientation. Additionally, some speculate that the region's intense energy fields might create phenomena similar to those reported in the Bermuda Triangle. Others argue that the sheer remoteness and difficulty of the terrain mean that wreckage is often lost forever in the vast expanse of wilderness. The Alaska Triangle continues to captivate imaginations as a place where nature's extremes meet humanity's greatest fears. Whether attributed to folklore, natural dangers, or unexplainable forces, its mysteries persist, drawing explorers and researchers into its chilling grasp. Number 2. The Dragon Triangle, the gateway to hell in the heart of the Pacific. In the southwest of Japan, where the waves of the Pacific Ocean ceaselessly caress the coastline, lies a sea ominously referred to as the Devil's Sea Triangle. At first glance, this area may appear harmless, but it harbors dark secrets that no scientific explanation can satisfy. This is not merely an ordinary expanse of water, but a realm where the ocean seems to devour time, space, and all traces of humanity. Since the 17th century, the Devil's Sea has been the site of numerous mysterious disappearances involving ships and airplanes, tales of fishermen who never returned, ships vanishing without a trace, and airplanes swallowed whole by the sky have shrouded this region in a veil of mystery. Many believe this sea to be the twin sibling of the Bermuda Triangle in the Atlantic Ocean, yet even more dangerous due to its intense geological activity, as if the Earth's crust were groaning beneath the waves. The most famous incident in the Devil's Sea is the disappearance of Japan's Kaiomaru No. 5 survey vessel. In 1952, the ship was dispatched to investigate the strange phenomena occurring in the area. Instead of bringing back answers, it became another victim of the mystery. The Kaiomaru and its entire crew vanished without a trace, further fueling eerie speculations about the perilous nature of these waters. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain the anomalies of the Devil's Sea. Some scientists point out that this is where extremely strong ocean currents converge, potentially dragging ships into the depths, leaving no trace behind. Moreover, this region lies on the Pacific Ring of Fire, one of the world's most active underwater volcanic zones. Submarine eruptions and undersea earthquakes could generate massive tsunamis capable of engulfing anything in their path. Yet science is only part of the story. This sea is also the focal point of eerie supernatural legends. It is believed by some to be a gateway to the underworld, a place where trapped souls are never freed. Others speculate that the disappearances result from the interference of extraterrestrial beings hidden beneath the sea, studying humanity. There are even accounts of massive sea monsters, mythical creatures lying in wait to attack anyone daring to trespass into their domain. Number 1. The Bermuda Triangle, where the ocean swallows the secrets of humanity. Amidst the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, where endless waves roar relentlessly, lies a region shrouded in gloom and mystery, the Bermuda Triangle. Quietly nestled between Bermuda, Miami, USA, and Puerto Rico, this area has long been a gateway to darkness, where ships, planes, and people vanish without a trace, leaving behind questions unanswered for centuries. Since ancient times, brave sailors have told chilling tales of these waters. The winds here carry whispers like the curses of the ocean, and the sea itself seems to churn with an inexplicable unease. Even Christopher Columbus, the great explorer, witnessed strange phenomena while passing through this area. Mysterious green lights hovered in the night sky, and compasses spun wildly, seemingly controlled by an invisible force, leaving his crew unnerved. This was just the beginning of countless inexplicable disappearances that history has yet to explain. Among the most horrifying incidents, Flight 19 in 1945 stands as a haunting reminder of the Bermuda Triangle's enigmatic power. 5 Navy bomber planes, led by experienced pilots, entered the region and disappeared without a trace. The rescue teams sent to find them met the same fate. No wreckage, no distress signals. Only an eerie silence remained. The Bermuda Triangle seemed like a giant beast, devouring whatever it desired. Explanations for this mysterious region remain cloaked in ambiguity. Some scientists believe the Earth's abnormal magnetic fields in the Bermuda area are to blame. These magnetic forces could disrupt compasses, causing ships and planes to lose their way and fall prey to the ferocious Gulf Stream currents, ready to drag everything into the abyss. Others lean towards extreme weather phenomena, with hidden underwater storms, rogue waves, and violent waterspouts waiting to erupt without warning,